You want to buy a watch.
Where'd they get that?
I found it.
Yeah, right.
Nice, huh?
Lefty, you gotta turn this around. One of those days you're gonna find yourself in some serious trouble, man.
Anything I can get into, I can get out of.
Yeah. You keep thinking like that and watch what happens.
Man, why are you always trying to lecture me?
I'm not trying to lecture you, Jim. I'm trying to help you, man.
You want to help me?
Yeah.
You can buy this watch. I can use the cash.
Get a job.
As what? A delivery boy or a dishwasher?
Yeah.
No thanks. I like being my own boss. Setting my own hours.
Sounds like a great life.
Yours ain't no better. You work for the man and you live on the east side.
I don't do that no more, Jim. Okay?